All right, now what we got is we got them holes drilled out and got it bolted on. I just got it temporarily done with a couple bolts. It'll actually have 4 on each side. I'm using stainless socket caps. That's just one of my favorites. You can get them on eBay pretty cheap, actually. This is just a hole. I gotta put a grommet in here, put it in from underneath after I weld the top tube on. And that's for the wires to go through to keep them all concealed. And then what I got for this build, it's actually got very tall gantries, so I will space this out a little bit, but I'm only going to do that so I can weld it all the way around. That way it doesn't get any, from side to side, it doesn't twist. But yeah, pretty much once that's done, it'll look like this one. I still got to do one across and brace it in the middle, and I'll make another video on that. So I just wanted to give you an update on it.